Hi everyone, it's Matthew and I'm back with my third video of the Dutch map. So today, taking some fertilizer from here. Look on the map. Hoguven is possibly how you say that, but I honestly don't know. And we're taking it to Nunjemek. I really don't know how to pronounce that, but anyway, let's go on. So let's go on with it. So we're driving this. I'm still on quick jobs, and currently I'm driving this this DAF truck, and as it's actually made in Holland, so it suits the picture. And so what I'm going to say about my first thing I'm going to talk about is the new patch. If you're wondering why I'm not driving, that's another thing. If you're wondering why I'm not driving the new DAF that comes with the 1.14 patch now, because it doesn't work in my game at the moment. I think because it's a public beta, it's got some bugs, and it doesn't always work on everyone's game. So, excuse me. I do have the slight remains of cough, so do excuse me if I end up coughing. But it does have the slight remains of. It does have. I think it does have problems. So, but basically the problem is it doesn't. It cannot find my save game, so I'm gonna wait a bit to see what happens, and if it still doesn't work, then I'll have to look around for a solution. But at the moment it's okay, because I can just run on the old 1.13 patch. So anyhow, 1.14 beta patch on Steam. What does it come with? Well, this is what SCS Software say about the patch. At last, we are happy to announce that we are ready to start the public beta test of 1.14 for your Truck Simulator 2. If you are willing to help, make sure to back up your existing player profile, and feel free to switch to the public beta branch of Your Truck Simulator 2, which you'll find on Steam. Please visit our forum to give us feedback and comments. They said they've tested it several inner builds in the past weeks, practically showing usually even more problems are discovered and fixed in the public beta. Strive to make our game's updates polished as possible, thanks to the support and help. Now, the changes. Gameplay. You now have liftable axles, so you can have a chassis that has the rear wheels lift up, as well as go down if you're not pulling the trailer. So it saves tyre wear. You're now able to upload your World of Trucks profile from the in-game screenshot manager. Grease damage for overturned vehicles, tweak penalties for damaged cargo, automatic transmission tweaked for better handle steep hills such as the quarry. That actually sounds like quite a good thing, really, because that's what it's had a problem with for a while. Camera rotation based on steering and blinkers, so I'm assuming that if you indicate left it'll look left, possibly, but I have to wait and see. Correct speed limit after using the train. Red light offence isn't reported if the player is too far inside a crossroad. Okay. For wrong way offence check form allow manoeuvring in small crossroads, better terrain profile in rotation, funny movements in simulation, overturned trucks, damping of the rear. Do excuse my driving, I am reading this off a piece of paper, so I'm trying to drive with one hand but hold the piece of paper with my other hand. So, in the rear axles and gearboxes, said in the last paper. New truck, the Daf XF Euro 6, which I've seen a few videos of, looks alright, seems fine. New 6-wheel chassis for almost all trucks, nice. Substantial data fixes in most chassis, added driver seats for Daf XF and MAN TGX. Small fixes in many models such as sawmill, factory, wharf, quarry, trucks, traders. The AI. New traffic rules, stop lines, city start/end, highway start/end, give way, priority roads. Improved driving rule priorities. AI truck prevented from entering trains. I don't know why you need to do that, but whatever. Support for sleep time in traffic lights. Speed limit detection fixes. More realistic AI vehicle speeds and curves. Many improvements in vehicle spawning, navigation, reviving, yielding, lane changing, overtaking and blinking. Sound. Improved fixed sounds, gear, horn, blinker, and Scania V8 interior. Map. Many map bugs fixed. Roads around Kiel and Rostock recreated. That's cool. Steam. Rich presence. Job information in view more info in Steam friends list. That's cool. Code. Support for decal parts in the Edge models. Support for multiple truck dealer definitions. Allow pedestrian spawning on models. Prevented crashes. Non-existing park vehicles, cities, individual truck accessories, individual backup data. User interface. Truck browser shows all upgrades and their level requirements. Let's pay attention to it for a second. Go. Added option to skip cutscenes. Speed limit shown on GPS dashboard GPS, which is nice. Support for advisor page switching. Speed on advisor is precise option to display a password on the login screen, which I really don't know why you'd want to do that, but fair enough. And now the final page of it, page 3 of this piece of paper that I have. It's all very long, this, so do excuse me, it's getting a bit tedious. Smoother camera movement in showrooms, which is always a problem with modded trucks, I think. The fact their movement's not really smooth. Improved text passing into input fields. Improved city name sorting, which is kind of nice. New updated localization and credits fixed. Typos, clarified text, rendering, fixed blinking objects in mirrors, nice. Support for mirror image scaling, support for additional front mirror, support for flares by visible capped by angle, better rendering statistics, edge look can be controlled detached road look, better handling of the vegetation detail with changing distance support for additional low quality vehicle LOD. Modding. Go to console commands now accepts city names of their fragments, e.g. go to camera Aberdeen. So I'm assuming that means you can do each, you don't have to type the whole scene, and if you do one sounds obvious enough, it will know that city. Improved mini console, more the telemetry, more precious fuel reporting, job emojis. Cool, I suppose. New cargo definition structure, advisor definition, cleanup, content browser improvements, reselect weather climate profiles. In the editor, they've improved the grammar, correction of user pick controls, better handling of high DPI monitors, texture list, new toolbar, and sign-in editor improvements. Now this all sounds like very good stuff, and yeah, it does. Yeah, it sounds like very good stuff, and I would look forward to it when it actually comes to work with my game. But as I say, at the moment I can't play unless I possibly create a new profile, because my current one, for some reason, somehow lost. It says it can't find my save game, so I can't currently play it. I suspect it might do the same thing if I create a new profile, so I don't know what it's done really. But as I said at the start, I don't think new patches, especially when they're in public beta, are always going to work properly, so hopefully it should get fixed that, but I don't know what to do in that. Well, it might be a mod map or something, I honestly really don't know. So, anyhow. Other news, I have turned 15. It was my birthday last Wednesday, and now I have a week off, and this week off I intend to record all the videos I need to that will last me hopefully up to the Christmas break. And that's going to be my goal in these break sections is to record all the videos I need to that will last me up to the next break, the next school breaks, so I don't have to record during those periods where I need time to concentrate with schoolwork or whatever. So this is the first video I'm recording, and I hope to record about 12-15 in this week. Today is Friday, today is actually a teacher training day, Friday the 24th of October. There are a few schools around here, no, not that many. But yeah, I think the next video is going to be off this profile. It's going to be on another profile, which I have a new, which is my first profile, which I play a lot of, which has a new truck in it, the Peterbilt 351 from 1955, I think. So that'll be nice, with a modded engine sound, and finally worked out how to use the what on US trucks is called the jailbreaker. You have to program it via the exhaust brake. You press that. The default button is B on your keyboard, but you could say it to any other button on your steering wheel. And when I do a video, I will show you. I'll put the headlights on. I'll show you what I mean. But it is pretty cool what it's actually like. What it actually does. Yeah, I apologise if my driving isn't the best this video. As I said, I have been reading off a piece of paper which I literally printed off about 5-10 minutes ago. So, but yeah. And hopefully my audio quality is okay as well. And also I intend to stream a bit more during this week. Probably around weekend times and occasionally during the week. Quick streams during the week and a bit longer streams during evening on Saturday and Sunday or whatever. So yeah, hope to get some decent content out this week. Yeah, decent content recorded and scheduled out the next 7 or 8 weeks. So yeah, that's the plan. So 150 kilometers to go. I haven't been paying much attention to the scenery on this journey, but it's pretty nice when it's not raining, that's for sure. And if my pronunciations are off, which I know they are, please do correct me. Excuse me. But yeah, basically, if you I know for a fact that most of the way we think Polish things are pronounced are completely wrong, and that's the case of everyone that doesn't know Polish that well, such as Lots. You know, the place that we think is pronounced Lots, no, it's actually pronounced It's pronounced Wooch or something, like, it has a W in it, like W-O and a ch sound in it, which is weird. It's very weird, I would admit. I actually learned that from Gralis. I'm sure you know Gralis. He actually said on the video that he was originally from Poland. His pronunciation is very, very, very odd. And I know somewhat my pronunciations of Polish cities in Masai on the project Jazzycat. By the way, the announcements say the bus stop names compared to the way I say them. It shows that Poland, the Polish language is very, very hard to learn. As the case with most languages in Eastern Europe, they have very different alphabets. They're very hard to learn. "68 kilometers to go." I don't know how long I've been recording for, but whatever. Quick check. 18 minutes. Yeah, managed to do 680 kilometers in 18 minutes. Probably through very fast driving. So yeah. I hope eventually I can get the 114 patch working to drive the new DAF and have these new fixes. But if I can't, then I'm gonna have to look around for a bit of help, because as I say, it's only a public beta right now, but as I said, when I will try to play it, it wouldn't find my save game, so I don't know what's actually happened. And I know it's a problem with that patch, because it works fine on the original 113 patch. So and I know this DAF in particular has the horrible standard interior with all this. I mean, I don't mind the wood on the dashboard. The wood doesn't necessarily bother me. It's this horrible sort of, it's this old 70s caravan sort of material that's behind the seats or whatever. So yeah, but there's a bit, the upgraded DAF interior is a bit nicer. Is quite a lot nicer than this one. But yeah. So hopefully you can't hear why I can hear some like my headphones are really loud buzzing noise from these headphones being slightly broken. Hopefully all you can hear is the game sound, not this kind of buzzing noise. Left, right. I know the new DAF does sound a bit nicer than this one. It's a bit more up to date, but I don't mind this old DAF. The old DAF is fine at the end of the day, it does the job, so we'll have to see how the new one performs. Cyclist cycling on a convoy cyclist, really. The stupid thing about the cyclists in this game is they're not actually. Let me show you. You can actually go through them, right through them like that, and right through them like that. It doesn't have any effect at all. So really, that's kind of a bit stupid because, as you know, you'll not be able to do that in real life. So that's something I'd like to. I would love added in a new patch, but after we see. Just trying to park this. Oh. I have some method of parking, but it's not that good, as you know. Reliable contractor and someone else unlocked. But I hope you enjoyed that video. Do make sure to give me a comment. Do like and subscribe and all that good stuff. But for now, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.